Customizing Niagara AX login screen Part 2. Before we switch to our custom login screen we made in Part 1 of this tutorial, let's take a look at how the existing login screen works. When an incorrect password or username is used, the login failed dialog box appears, letting the user know that the login failed. Our template will produce the same error when there is an error in the user's credentials. When the login is successful, the Niagara applet loads in the browser and the site homepage appears. OK, let's close Firefox and go back to Workbench. In the Web Services Properties sheet, at the bottom you will find Login Template. Uncheck the radio checkbox and select your template from the drop-down box. Click the Save button at the bottom of the Properties sheet. Launch Firefox. Notice the station name in the left-hand corner. Let's try a bad login. As you can see, the login failed dialog box appears. Now try the proper login. When the username and password are authenticated, the Niagara applet loads. Summary: in the first part of this tutorial we created the jar file that pointed to our HTML template. We created an HTML form with tags to show the station name and an error message when the login fails. Then we added the jar file to our Niagara modules directory and the HTML template to our station in the file directory. In the second part of this tutorial, we told web services to use our custom login template. Then finally tested our custom login and made sure it worked just the way we wanted it to. If you're interested in buying a custom login template, or if you're do-it-yourself kind of guy and want to see more tutorials like this one, please visit buildingsmarter.com.